Hi, I'm Steph from OGSR Library. We've created this video specifically for geothermal drillers to show how our data can help you comply with Ontario Regulation 9812. According to this new regulation, you will be required to write a work plan that identifies measures to be taken to prevent or reduce the likelihood of the migration of hazardous gas, whether through the hole or otherwise, during construction, alteration, extension, or replacement of the vertical closed-loop ground source heat pump, and asked to consider the Oil, Gas, and Salt Resources Act. One way to mitigate risks is to create a geological prognosis, which is a model of the subsurface geology at a particular location based on available surrounding information. You may use the available surrounding data to identify potential zones of fluids, including methane, hydrogen sulfide, oil, sulfur water, and fresh water. Use this data to help build your prognosis as part of your work plan. The information you're seeing can only be found at ogsrlibrary.com. To start building a prognosis, begin with the information from oil and gas wells surrounding your location. I will now demonstrate 3 ways to find wells near your work location. First, using Google Earth. From ogsrlibrary.com, scroll down to Data Layers for Google Earth on the right-hand side. Open the data layers in Google Earth on your computer, then, under Places, on the left-hand side, turn on All Wells. Now, zoom into your work area to see what information is available. Clicking on a well symbol activates a pop-up that contains a link to well data. The second way is using our online map. Click View Petroleum Well Map from our homepage. To work with the map, select a tool from the toolbar at the top. Click the Zoom In tool, then click on your work area. Use the Information tool to display the well license number and basic well information below the map. The third way is using our basic or advanced search form. If you have GPS coordinates, use the advanced search. Click the More link at the bottom of the page to reveal the latitude, longitude GPS search. Enter your coordinates and specify your search radius in meters. Search results can be browsed online, or any result list can be exported as a table or KMZ for Google Earth. Once you have a list of surrounding wells, the information can be used to predict the likely depths and thicknesses of rock formations. For visual representation of this, use our cross-section tool. From the home page, click Geological Cross-Sections, then draw a basic stick cross-section online. Choose wells in a linear pattern that have good formation top data and enter the license numbers separated by commas in the draw box. Only formations that are continuous from well to well will be drawn and joined. Use our database to look at the fluid records in the surrounding wells to predict the likely occurrences of fluid intervals within these formations at your location. Be prepared to encounter geologic hazards by using our data to prepare your work plan. Remember, OGSR Library is the only source for this data.